He looked at me like, yeah, right, Mom. Whoa. It's not going to be able to do that very long, going under those. Now what? Whoa! Where are you going? Oh, squirrel! Oh, what? He's done. He's done. Good boy. Who's your good boy? Who's my good boy? Who's my good boy? Yes, you are. Look at those paws. They're so cute. You're so cute. Oh. Oh, you need your water? Okay.